Last month, like many of you, I started looking for ways to reduce my electricity bill. It seems like the costs just keep climbing every single month. I spent hours on forums and blogs, looking for anything that wasn't just another turn off the lights tip. And during my research, I kept seeing something called the energy revolution system. At first, I was skeptical. I'm sure you've seen them too, those energy products online that promise unrealistic results or claim to break the laws of physics. But after digging deeper, I realized this one is actually a DIY blueprint guide, not a physical gadget you just plug in and forget. It's an educational program. The program explains how to build a compact generator using commonly available parts you can find at most hardware stores or even online. Everything is explained step by step. It doesn't assume you're an electrical engineer. It starts from the absolute basics, making it accessible for almost anyone. It breaks down the materials you need, things like specific gauges of copper wire and high-strength magnets, and explains why each component is vital. Then it moves to the wiring setup. This is usually the part that scares people off, but the guide uses clear diagrams to show exactly where every wire goes. Finally, it covers the final assembly, how to house the generator and ensure it's balanced correctly to maximize its efficiency and longevity. The idea behind the system is to create a small, independent power source. It's based on the principles of magnetic induction to generate a steady stream of electricity. This energy can then be used to help support your home's electricity usage, taking some of the load off the main grid during peak hours. Many users in the community say it helped them reduce their power costs significantly. I've seen reports of people saving anywhere from 20 to 50%. Of course, results can vary. It depends on how precisely the system is built, the quality of the materials you use, and how you integrate it into your home. One thing the guide emphasizes is safety. Since you're dealing with electricity, it's crucial to follow every instruction to the letter and use the recommended safety gear. But the concept itself is fascinating. It's part of a growing movement of people looking for alternative energy options and more independence from big utility companies. If you're someone who enjoys DIY projects and has a bit of patience, this could be a really rewarding weekend project with long-term benefits. It's also a great learning opportunity for families to understand how electricity is actually generated, moving beyond just flipping a switch on the wall. If you want to check out the full details and see if the energy revolution system is right for you, I've placed the official website link in the description below. I can't stress this enough. Make sure you only use the official link to avoid fake versions or scams that just want your data without providing the guide. Thanks for sticking around to the end. Exploring these alternative energy sources is the first step toward a more sustainable and cost-effective lifestyle. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you've tried building your own power source before. I'd love to hear your stories. I'll see you in the next video. Stay curious and keep building. Bye for now.